Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our this series of video in which we are showing you how you can use Excel to uh, solve the algebraic and math and the square roots and logarithm, etc. So today's problem involves this exponentation problem, and let's move it to the Excel through the we use PowerPoint for moving it from SLogic to Excel, right? So what we do here is we beautify it a bit so that we we can centralize it, right? Good looking, and now we select it using holding down the Shift and Window button and pressing S. This will allow us to select this thing and copy, select and copy, right? So this will be taken to our Excel program, okay? So which we are developing, and here we set it aside for the moment temporarily, okay? So that we know, yeah. And now we make an image of this. The last one is the most latest algorithm we have. So we copy this, Control C, and we paste it, making sure that it is with a gap of a few lines is better, right? Now, we remove this object with this uh, new problem statement, which is in the shape of a picture object, right? So our answer row is row number 131, okay? These are the few things which we have to make sure that we know before uh, attempting it. We should know that what is our answer row. That is 131. Okay, and what is our x? This is our x. This is C133, and C133 is automatically here. But this time we will power the 27, not 3. It is 27. 27 raised to power x, right? And we remove this part of this. Okay, so we adjusted it to, sorry. So power is, so we don't need this exponentation at all. Okay, right. So and we don't need this extra packet, and we can use x as a power, right? The power of x of 27. This is our stage one. The stage two is 9 into x. Simple is that. It is, we change it 6 with the 9, right? And we remove this caret sign we replace it with the multiplication, and C133 remains there, okay? So this is for the moment our setup. The next thing we can do, for example, yeah, now we can do the VBA part of this. VBA is here. So we go to the edit. We don't use this text box 10 because this is pertaining to the previous. We don't want to get that affected. Okay, so in order to keep it away, yeah, so this is text box 10. So text box 10 will become text box 11. And 131 is our answer row. 131. Let's check it again. This is 131. Yes, 131 is our answer row. That's right. And our X row is 133. And uh, check, our check where one comes. So one will come at 137. 137, 133. Okay. So the check row is 137, 137, and X row is 133. Hmm? Yeah, that's it. And we can start adjusting, right? And we leave this and let's see how it works. But first of all, we have to assign this macro. This is a newly created macro. So we got to, first of all, assign it to this text box. So this is our text box 11. We assigned it now. Okay. So we generate it. So it has arrived to the answer. The answer is 0.098, and this is our solution to this statement, right? It has achieved. It is achieved. So the answer is arrived, and the only thing remaining with us is what is update. So let's update it. So we have the database ready for updation. So we click proceed. So only those which are not posted, said only those questions will be updated. So on at the moment, only one job was pending for posting. So let's go and see that what it has done. Yes, it has done nothing, 0.10. That's right, is the answer, 0.90. Mhm. Okay, 0.10 is the right answer. Okay, so because it has rounded it up, it has used the rounding function. That's why it is appearing like this. Okay, otherwise, the actual answer which was here, which it is started, was 0.098. Right? Okay, it's fine. It is almost the same answer. So let's go and see how does it appear in our quiz. So we go there and we double click to get to our quiz. This is the quiz. So where is it? So 0.1. Yeah, 0.1 is the right answer. Okay. So this is how we do we post it into the ledger and into the database. And now we have a full series of questions which we can present to our audience uh, one by one and ask them to do the practice and to show the learning they have done from SC Logic. And if they come with the right answer, they will get a big yes in here, otherwise a big no, right? So this is how the question, the automated system for quiz is developed. This is useful for those who conduct the training and those who teach their kids, those who teach their students, right? So they can quickly form the questionnaire, the quiz setup for their student and have them tested like this. Okay, so simple is it's very simple. Okay, thank you very much for watching.